front of me is REALME C63, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to Hit Apps. Select the default app and tap on Home app. Now click on Launcher Pro and wait for the pop-up to hit Allow All. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions inside it. If you want to go back to your default launcher though, you can always access settings again and click on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!